Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. I'm going to give away $500 in Bitcoin in 7 days. All you have to do to win is subscribe to the channel. The thousands and thousands of people watch this channel every day and they're not subscribed. Get this free money, free Bitcoin, $500 in Bitcoin. Subscribe, like the video, leave a comment on the videos the next 7 days for a chance to win $500 in Bitcoin. At the end of this video, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin from one of the last previous 7 videos. Good luck. Bull run ready. Bitcoin and daily chart. So again, Bitcoin got rejected at 61,500 and lost this $58,000 level. Okay. Potentially the bulls would need, for further upside ideas, you'd need to see a break above that level. I'm not sure if this retrace is done kind of based on these bearish ideas that's on the daily time frame indicators. So I'm going to get into that just a little bit further in a second. This is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So this pullback to 54,000 and then this pump higher. I mean, essentially it ran all the way down here to 53,200 and now moving higher. So what you don't want to see would be a bearish retest where it would come here to this level, right here, this previous high. This is previous support, which was lost, and now it's going to be resistance. So if the price action gets rejected off this level, you're looking for continuation to the downside. Again, a breakout above here, bullish hopes alive, right? Bitcoin's headed higher. I'm looking for $75,000 Bitcoin for the next swing high. This is just part of it. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, right? Here we go. Forming this like large rising wedge, rising channel for Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin 30-minute chart zoomed in, and you can see had this trend line. Bitcoin broke out above, not amazing volume. Right now your RSI is getting close to overbought. Again, it would be nice to see a break above this level. You're looking at some resistance at about 57,000 again. Got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person bought CELR 3 weeks ago. Patience is paying off, they said. Up $30,000 on this trade. Huge. We're killing it in the trading group, period. This person started with $40,000 and is now sitting at $170,000 portfolio. It's been a wild ride. Couldn't have done it without you, Chris. Love to hear these comments. This person's from Melbourne. We have a ton of Australians in the group. You guys love crypto down under. And remember, time zone doesn't matter. I don't sleep regular hours. I've got 2 admins that are based in Australia. We run 24 hours a day. I post setups around the clock. Anyways, this gentleman, he started with $29,800 Australian, and in a month, he grew his portfolio to 103 Australian dollars. And bottom line is this. This is the biggest financial revolution of our lifetime. The biggest opportunity. Like, you guys, if you're not making a ton of money right now, this is the bull run. This is what we've been waiting years to happen. We've been waiting for this for years and years. waiting to see these profits. You do not want to look back a year from now and think, man, I could have taken advantage of a lot more of these gains and these pumps if I knew what I was doing. Let me help you. I will make sure you're in the best coins. In the trading group, I update everybody constantly. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. You guys remember Luna? Anybody? I gave it to you 4 days ago. Luna. 4 days ago. 21,000 people saw this video. 21,000. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. $500 in free Bitcoin. Get that free money. Leave a comment in the comment box. 80,000 subscribers. Shout out to you guys. Appreciate your support. Luna that has been rebranded to Muna. 87% profits out of this setup I gave to you guys on YouTube in 4 days. So parabolic price action. Great to see. These small caps, I mean, they just move. They pump. It's a lot easier to move these small caps. You're not going to see these types of gains out of a lot of these large caps. They just don't move like that. It takes billions and billions of dollars to move these large caps. CTSI, so this is a setup from the trading group by the breakout of this level. Notice kind of like this rounded bottom, right? This reaccumulation. 38% profits out of this guy, one of the top gainers today. Wing, this is Wing by the breakout of the trend line. Posted this in trading group. Kind of like a little cup and handle type pattern. 58% profits out of Wing. Huge, consistent gains in the trading group. This is Rev, USDT. You guys remember this? I posted it yesterday. 17,978 people saw this. By the breakout of this level. Boom. 28% profits. This is in 10 hours. In 10 hours, 28% profits. You know, I was thinking about, so Coinbase listed ADA, and ADA pumped. I don't even know if it pumped 28%. I mean, just think about that. I mean, that's big news. ADA getting added to Coinbase Pro. That's big news. Okay? I mean, it pumped. ADA potentially round to the same. It pumped. ADA had a good pump, but I guess my point is, like, these patterns have the same type of pump potential when you're talking about, you know, there's an NFT drop coming for Rev. I mean, we're up overall about 177%, 178% on this Rev setup I gave you guys, right? Huge profits. Got set up for Matic in just a second. And Matic is called Polygon now, right? So they're delighted to share that Nord Finance is integrating Polygon. You have Nord Savings going to go live on Polygon. So Polygon and Nord Finance partnering. So this is from a Stansberry group. They do crypto ratings, and they upgraded, or Polygon, Matic, right? And so they score it based on these different ideas fundamentally, and they gave it a pretty good score, and they definitely upgraded it to a buy. So you've got a group of people that pay for a newsletter, and they're already looking to buy this coin. So this is going to help move the price of Matic. Let me give you the Matic setup. So again, falling wedge. Potentially you've got some bullish divergence possible here. When this breaks out, I mean, your targets are marked over here. Okay, so by the breakout of this falling wedge for Matic, I mean, there's a ton of upside. You could see 59-cent Matic based on this setup. Bitcoin could hit $115,000 by August. Dude, that would be huge. Like this gentleman, though, he's Pantera Capital's Moorhead. They hold a bunch of Bitcoin, right? They're involved in Bitcoin. They said the stock to flow model is calling for $115,000 Bitcoin. Which, hey, let's do it. I mean, I've got a ton of it. Let's go. Bull run ready. CZ came out and said there's a number of DeFi projects that are under DNS hijack attacks, Pancake, Cream, etc. Please be very careful. Do not use them until they recover from the situation. And Pancake Swap did confirm that this is happening. Don't go to the Pancake Swap site. So not a good thing for those cryptos mentioned. There's a change in the Bitcoin held on exchanges. Whenever you see the amount of inflow, imagine people unloading their hardware wallets to send to exchanges. Whenever that number spikes, you can a lot of times expect a pullback. They're sending their Bitcoin to exchanges based on the idea. I mean, maybe they're going to buy altcoins, but potentially they're going to sell Bitcoin, right? And so when you see these ideas, these charts, pay attention to these. You go back to February the 23rd, you can see you've got your last big influx of Bitcoin that was being sent to exchanges right here. This is February 22nd, right here. Massive sell-off. Okay, now look here, February 23rd, same thing. Massive sell-off. And so use this, right? Use this. This is very important to use these tools. Like, you can understand potentially when people, if the whales are selling, not good for the price of Bitcoin. Shout out to Brad Morrow. He stated, should I take profits on Rev or hold for 40%? So this is one of the biggest mistakes I see with new traders. You get greedy. Greed is going to destroy you. The reason why there are these take profit levels at these given levels is that's where everyone else is taking profits, right? And so a lot of times you see, and like it nailed this perfectly, this take profit, right? And so what I'll do is I'll start selling 20%, 20%, 20%, 20%, 20%, right? I'll take profits out. I'll sell part of my position, right? I mean, if it comes down here in a retest, which is possible, by the way, could be a setup. If it retests, like you could add to your position, take all your profits and dump it back in. Yeah, just remember, you always have to pay yourself. Do not forget to pay yourself. You have to take profits. On the way up, take profit. You don't know if it's going here or if it's going here. You don't know what Bitcoin's going to do. There's so many variables in this market, right? So many variables. Look for a retest on Rev. This is data, and I've got a setup on data for you in just a minute. So data BTC, this is last altcoin season. This is what face melting altcoin season looks like. Data BTC pumped 430% in 2 days. And that's what happens to these altcoins. Somebody last night emailed me about joining the group. And they're like, well, what happens during altcoin season? Like people just pump these altcoins because they get bored with Bitcoin and all the BTC pairs to outperform Bitcoin. And that's happening. That's coming. Altcoin spring or summer. Go look back. Look at the charts. Look what happened. Spring, summer last year. Huge profits are coming for data. So this is data setup. You're looking, you got a possible retest. So I posted this in the trading group. It broke out immediately. We made like 23% on profits on it. Now you're looking for a retest kind of down in this area, right? Broke out here with some volume. Now if it comes down here and it starts to bounce, I mean, potentially you're buying the retest. And data, like I said, it pumps crazy when it takes off. I mean, look at this pump. Just crazy, wicked, fast pump. And then a lot of times they just completely sell off. So you got to take profits. You got to pay yourself, right? Take 20% out, 20% out, 20% out, and it's pulling back. Lock in profits on the way up. This is Bitcoin dominance. Last altcoin season started with a death cross just like this. Here we are. Bitcoin got rejected by the 200 simple moving average. The 50 lost the 50, and the 21 now can't break above it. So if this heads lower, altcoins will fire off. Larger cap altcoins that you're used to hearing about, right? Your mid caps, your large caps, they'll move. We've been trading a lot of these small micro caps and small cap coins, and when alt season comes, you'll see a lot of the larger caps and mid caps moving. Okay, so notice that difference. Also, another good idea that altcoins are about to outperform Bitcoin is Ethereum BTC. This is the performance of Ethereum versus the performance of Bitcoin. Ethereum, you can see you've got this falling wedge potentially and a double bottom at support. Okay, so, and you got the 200 simple moving average coming in. So look at the 200 simple. This is the yellow line. When the price action breaks above the yellow line, it's an uptrend. It's trending higher. When it breaks below it, it's a downtrend. All right, and so you want to see the price action of Ethereum BTC break above this 200. Okay, potentially retest it. And then Ethereum versus BTC is going to, so Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin at this point, and this heads higher. It's very important to understand how these trading pairs work, but this is good signs for the altcoins coming up soon. Altcoin season. This is Balancer. Listen, if you guys don't know how to trade these setups, if you got the altcoin season that happens once a year is coming. The altcoin season that's happening this year is coming. Now, listen, if you do not know how to get into these setups, set stop losses, enter these trades, take profits, all of this, use indicators, use Fibonacci retracement levels. It's easy stuff. You just have to, it's new. You have to learn it. I can help you. Join my trading group. Balancer. Gave you the buy the breakout setup the other day. Ran up 21%. Now it's retraced. Now you're watching for the retest. So you're looking for a bounce here and continuation higher. Balancer. Remember, this is like planting trees. You're not going to always get an immediate pump out of these coins. Right? You're going to make a ton of money over time, but you can't expect to grow apples and pick apples the next day after planting the seed. Right? So when you're buying a lot of these altcoins, you're planting seeds and you're just waiting. Waiting really for Bitcoin to start acting better. Be smart about it. SRM. So this is potentially like a midterm hold idea. Cup and handle is possible here. This could be the bottom of the handle. You want to see this all starts. You want to buy the breakout of this falling wedge, and then there's a massive upside potential. 200% profits out of SRM over time. It's going to take some time. Like altcoin season, this thing will be mooning. Watch. I'll talk about it, and I'll say, hey, guess how many people saw this video? Watch. SXP. So I gave this to you guys here. It broke out, ran up like 9%, and essentially forming this. This is going to be the bottom of a handle, right? This is a cup and handle forming. This is how they form. Falling wedge. This breaks higher, right? So essentially, you're going to buy the breakout of this level because it's already broke out of the falling wedge. You could buy the breakout of the cup, but SXP's got another run in it coming. A lot of news with SXP. It's been a midterm hold for SXP at $1. RLC just getting started. So I posted this setup. Buy the breakout of this level, and it has happened, and potentially up about 15% right here. Now buy the breakout of this level, or a retest would be golden. If you got a pullback right here, if Bitcoin pulls back and RLC does too, look to pick up some RLC right here. Now we're going to do the giveaway, $500 in Bitcoin. We'll go with this video. We'll scroll down a little bit. We're going to pick Zelliver Gaming. Zelliver Gaming. Thank you for your daily content they sent. Listen, just so you guys know, this is not me. Crypto Revolution, fake scammer, WhatsApp. This is not me. Listen, Zelliver Gaming, leave a comment right here. Reply to your comment and send me your email address, and then I'll send you $500 in Bitcoin. Shout out to you. Congratulations. Thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for everybody's support. We're going to keep doing this. We're going to keep giving away Bitcoin. I mean, like I said, I make a couple trades throughout the day, make a couple $1,000, and I'm just going to keep giving it away. We got big things coming. Right. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.